calm evening. A calm evening, the mosquitos of the forest reaching a small lake, in an intention of reflecting themselves in the summer ice. The guard, facing the evening sun, warm as blood, one ant rushing towards its home to guard a spruce. Displays no time. Our moon, dial of the night, displays no time. A house is moving. Heavy in the sky, a house is moving. My eyes are following a cloud. The whale. A whale throw its tail fin down to the bottom. The pupil. Moon, a pupil of the space eye. Birds get lost. Birds get lost in the sky. Skyscrapers cutting holes in the star map. Space match. The comet lights its match at the striking surface of stars.